I made this high foaming laundry bar soap at home with just few ingredients. Hey beautiful people, welcome to this exciting video where I'll be teaching you how to make a high foaming laundry bar soap using just few simple ingredients. This soap is perfect for home use or for sale. And the best part is that it lathers so well and super easy to make. So stay tuned as I take you through the process of making this soap. Welcome back guys. To make this soap you need oils, and the oil I have here is palm oil and vegetable oil. These are the two combinations I have in this bowl. The next one here is caustic soda. I have caustic soda for lye solution. This is the water we'll be using to dissolve the caustic soda in here. So the next thing I have is the sodium silicate. Here is the sodium silicate to make the soap have a shiny look and also get hard faster. Here is color to make the soap whiter, and this is the fragrance to give it a nice scent. So these are the ingredients for this soap. The first thing to do here is to make our lye solution. Here I have the water and I'm going to be pouring the caustic soda into the water to make our lye solution. Guys, before you handle caustic soda, make sure to do your protective measures by wearing your gloves and your nose mask to protect yourself from the harm from caustic soda. The palm oil I have for this soap is a bleached palm oil. I bleached the palm oil with two chemicals. And if you want to know how to bleach your palm oil for soap making, the video is right in my channel. You can go through it, or I'll link the video on this video for you to get to know how to bleach your palm oil for soap making. So after adding your caustic soda into the water, you stir completely and keep aside. So here is the oil I transferred into this heat resistant bowl to warm the oil on fire a little bit, just to warm it, not to cook it for a very long time, because I want it to be in the same state with the caustic soda, because caustic soda is going to be hot and I want the oil also to be hot as the caustic soda. So after the warming of the oil, the next thing is to add the white color into the oil and stir in properly to mix well. All the chemicals used in this production is very easy to get, and you can get them from any chemical shop around you. The measurement for all the chemicals used in making this soap will be listed at the end of this video. So make sure to watch the video to the end to get the measurement that is being used to make this soap. Okay guys, the benefit of using palm oil to make your soap is that palm oil gives a long-lasting soap. Palm oil makes a soap that does not finish easily or on time. If you use palm oil to make your soap, you're going to enjoy using palm oil to make your soap, because your soap cannot finish so easily, unlike other hard oils like coconut oil or palm kernel oil. Even though palm oil doesn't give a soap that lathers well, but you're going to help the soap to lather by adding foam booster into the soap. So guys, we'll be adding foam booster as we proceed in this production. I didn't remember to show you guys the foam booster at the beginning of this video, but I'm going to show you, and at this stage we are going to add in the foam booster into the mixture. So yeah, I finished mixing the color and the oil properly. I transferred into this bowl so that I have a bigger bowl that will contain the soap production. So the next thing we're going to be doing is to add the sodium silicate into this mixture. This is sodium silicate I just added into this mixture. After adding it is also to mix and mixing well into the soap to combine very well. Sodium silicate helps the soap to number one, lather well. Number two, it gives a shining look. It makes the soap surface to shine. It makes the soap look beautiful. Number three, sodium silicate helps your soap to harden so fast. So yeah, the next thing is to add the lye solution, which is the combination of caustic soda and water, which we did earlier. So after adding the lye solution, is to stir in properly. You can see is the lye solution that is going to form the soap batter. You notice how the soap has formed into a batter. So this is the work of the caustic soda, combining the oils and the water to form a soap batter. Earlier on in this video, I made mention that I'm using two oils for this soap production, palm oil and vegetable oil. The reason is because palm oil gets to a thicker trace. When you're using palm oil to make your soap, once you add in your lye solution, it's going to thicken too fast, even before you add it into your soap mold. So the only way to help reduce that fast thickness is to add vegetable oil into it so that you can have time to add other ingredients, mix in well and pour into the soap mold. Another reason is that vegetable oil gives a moisturizing and soft effect on the soap. So that is to say that it's good to combine your hard oils and soft oils to make your soap to get all the necessary benefits from the oils. All right, guys, the next thing to add now is our foam booster. This is a foreign foam booster called cocoa amide. With this foreign foam booster, you don't actually need much to add into your mixture. So I'm using just a smaller quantity to add more foaming and cleansing effect in this soap. You can also use the local foam booster to add to your soap if you're not able to get the foreign foam booster. But because I was able to get the foreign foam booster, I preferred using that one. But any one you get is okay. The last but not the least ingredient we'll be adding is the fragrance. We're going to be adding few quantity of fragrance to make the soap smell good and have a good scent. After adding the fragrance, you stir, mixing properly to combine all the ingredients very well. At this point, we are done mixing and making the soap. The next thing is to get the soap mold and start pouring in the soap. So I'll be getting this cup to transfer into the cup so that it will make it easier for me to pour into the soap mold. So that's why I'm doing this transfer to be able to pour well into the soap mold. So it's time to pour. Here is the soap mold. We are going to be pouring in the soap batter. So guys, you'll notice that the soap is already getting thick. This is the reason you combine your hard oils and your soft oils. Palm oil can get soap hard so fast. So if you use only palm oil, before you finish mixing your lye solution, the soap is already hard. So that is the reason of adding vegetable oil into your palm oil to make the soap. That is how fast palm oil can get soap batter so thick. So after pouring the soap into the mold and making the surface look better, the next thing is to allow the soap to sit for like 24 hours. After 24 hours, the soap will get hardened. So yeah, the soap has gotten hard and we are unmolding right away. Guys, here is our beautiful soap we just made. This soap can be sold, this soap can be well packaged and sell to shops. You can start this business from the comfort of your home, make this soap with these simple ingredients, package well and sell. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share this video to whoever may be needing it, or to those that want to start a small soap business. Drop your question in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.